Hey guys, this is Sadiq Shirazi, and today we're going to be doing some cat-cow variations just to get some mobility here in your thoracic spine and the entire spinal column, including the pelvis. The first variation we're going to look at is your traditional cat-cow. I want your palms spread, your fingers spread open. It's going to be right below your shoulder blades, and then your knees are going to be about hip width apart as well. You're going to have the top parts of your feet down on the ground. And then what you're going to start with is, with an inhale, you're going to externally rotate your shoulder blades, and you're going to try to touch your sternum down to the ground, and you're going to bring your pelvis up. And then with exhale, you're going to dip your pelvis down. You're going to try to touch the apex of your thoracic spine to the ceiling, and you're going to internally rotate those shoulder blades, all the while keeping your palms where they are. And we're going to just do a couple of variations, a couple of these. And really what you're trying to do is you're trying to take this past end point. So you're going to feel like your body wants to stop there. You're going to push it a little bit further. And the same thing coming up on that exhale, internally rotating. You're going to feel like it wants to stop, and you push it a little bit further to the ceiling. That's your traditional way to do a cat-cow. We're also going to do lateral bending on the cat-cow. So it's the same thing where palms are on the ground. With this, your knees are same thing, hip width apart. And I'm going to bring that right hip up. I'm going to hip hike that right hip to try to touch that right shoulder blade. And a little hack on this is try to look over that right shoulder blade to your right foot, and that will really help enhance that lateral bend in your spine. And this is opening up all the spinal joints on the left side of your spine. And then you do the same thing on this side. Hip hike my left hip up towards my left shoulder. I'm trying to touch this as far as I can to that side. Peering over my shoulder blade down to my left foot and coming back. And you just follow your breath on this as well. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And because we are not linear creatures, this is just kind of a flexion, extension, lateral bend, right and left. I want you to really use your body as into the dynamic directions and planes that it can go into. Each joint is not just one way, left, right, front, back. It can actually be moved into a variety of planes. And so I really want you to kind of use your intuitive sense on this. If you feel like you have pain in your lower back, spend a little bit more time moving that around in that area, and then just kind of play around with this. Your body's dynamic, and we really want you to use your intuitive sense to move your body as much as you can. Those are some variations with the cat-cow. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to more. Have a great day.